Hello, Fiat Doblo Restoration Service. Legends, welcome back to the channel. John here. It's a horrible day outside. It's absolutely chucking it down. You can tell that it's a bank holiday out there. And that means that we have retreated to the workshop to do some more work on the Royal Snail. If you haven't been following the progress, well, the timing chain snapped on the motorway and it took with it some of the rockers. Hopefully, it hasn't taken any valves with it or damaged the pistons. We believe we are okay, but we shall find out when we try and get all the compression going on. Anyway, a full set of rockers has cost me £75. They actually arrived less than 24 hours after I bought them. There's one of them in that bag. And in this video, we're going to do some tinkering, getting this back up and running. Dad and I are going to probably put some new rockers on the Snail. It's not a full rebuild today because we're still waiting for parts, but well, I've got to stretch that content out somehow, haven't I? New rockers for the Snail. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm blooming keeping wrapped up because it's like Siberia again.
Yeah, you can tell it's a bank holiday because, well, it's absolutely pissing it down out there. You're in work mode. What are you doing now?
Getting a rag.
Getting a rag. We are going to put the rockers in the doblo. What was that I just put on?
Engine mount.
Oh, engine mount, that's okay. Can I take this off? Can I have a look at this?
What's that?
This block.
What are you talking about, block?
Can I have a look in here?
I mean in the
engine?
in the head?
Yeah. Aha. Oh, you've cleaned it all up. I knew you would have done. Here we go. Now we can see what we're doing. Here we are. Looks good. So I've obviously been gone 24 hours. What have you done in that time?
Just been cleaning this up, mate, ready to put it together. Just cleaning all that lot up.
Yep. What have you cleaned it up with?
Brake cleaner.
Yep.
The cloth.
Did you find any more parts, any more metal bits kicking around?
No.
No? Good.
No.
So far we have only identified 2 broken rockers,
yep,
which is on cylinder 4 here, 1 here and 1 here. We believe that is what the engine was running on when it went bang. Any more concerns? Have you had a look at the valves again?
No.
No, but you're confident it's going to be all right?
Well, yeah, we checked them yesterday, didn't we? We sort of proggled about and they're all about the same height. There's none stuck down.
They're all rebounding nice.
Yeah.
So if I was to just take this out, right, it just pulls out, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, right. So these little hydraulic lifter things here, why aren't we replacing those?
Because you ain't bought any.
No, I haven't. But do you think this best practice to have bought some of those, or do you think they're all right?
Well, everything's best practice, isn't it?
Yeah. But from a cost perspective, we're not going to do
damaged, I don't think.
No? I'm going to stop doing that before I get oil everywhere.
Yeah, diesel oil's horrible stuff. The plan is, I think, we just do them one at a time and we change them.
Yep. Are they held in with clips or pressed in?
Yeah, I don't know how it works yet. But we want to keep the self-adjusters in the same holes.
Yeah,
really.
of course, because they've sort of made their little home in there, haven't they?
They have, yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what I'll do then. I'll get them open. You can get them changed. We'll see how it goes. It might be quite a short, boring video because, as I say, all we are doing in this video is refitting the new rockers. That's because the parts have not arrived. In fact, that's a lie. Some other parts have arrived. We've got the copper washer bits as well.
What are they for, John?
They're for the injectors.
Top man. That's good. Please didn't say this was spark plugs.
Spark plugs? No, we've changed the spark plugs last year.
What we're going to do? Don't go crazed.
Don't go crazed.
Let's just do them one at a time.
Let's just empty them out the box for you.
Put them back in the box. Because I'm not sure how this lot works.
Right, okay.
So hopefully...
Oh, that rocker looks clean.
That's because it's a new one. Not sure how all this works, are you?
No idea.
There's 2 of us then. I don't know how these little clip things come off. Ah, that's what they do.
They're like a spring clip, are they?
Yeah. So hopefully that should just do that then.
Well, You made that look really easy. This isn't going to be an hour's job, is it? It's going to be a 10-minute job.
It all depends how many times I have to walk around you.
Well, hang on a minute. So let's now look at the component parts. That's the rocker that we took off, and then it's got this little clip. How did that work then? Because you took the hydraulic lifter,
pushed it through, and it went through the gap.
So that is now
It's clipped on. Look,
nice and tight, and it's got like a little. I don't know how you describe that.
Well, there's a roller there. Look at
The area that it fits
They look very similar, don't they?
Let's put them next to each other. Oh,
ours has got a number on.
they look exactly the same, don't they?
Yeah.
They do look exactly the same as well. Even the moulding here looks exactly the same around there.
Yeah, they do, mate, don't they?
As you say, the ones we've just bought has got a number on.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'd like to do?
Yeah.
I'd like to, afterwards, put one of these in the vice or something similar and see just how much force it takes
Oh, to break it?
to break it, and see if it's designed to snap. You could almost make yourself a little toy car out of it.
Let us go and put this one in.
Let's put it in.
One down, 16 to go. 15 to go.
Oh, bloody hell, mate.
What's up?
You just,
Badged out of the way?
yeah.
It's because you are in the way.
So you put a bit of oil down there.
I'm just going to put some oil in. Yeah. We've got a bit of oil. Might as well have a bit of oil while we're doing stuff, haven't we? Might as well have a bit of oil. A bit of oil to give it. Let's have some oil on it. Or I think we shall pour some oil in the top. Might as well have a bit of oil on everything, haven't we? Oh. That's that one then.
Well, it literally just sits like that.
Yeah, and the cam sits on top of it, and Robert's your mother's brother.
So you don't clip it back into here. This doesn't clip onto anything. It is literally just sat on. Oh, I see. It's got a little notch that it sits in.
That's it.
That's it. One done. Making the job look easy.
Shut up. We might as well have a look at everything while we're doing it.
Yeah.
I'll get in here. I don't think we can get much of a video out of this, do you?
Well, it's not going to make interesting telly, is it?
Not really, is it?
Here's some rockers. We've put the blooming things in and we've put them in the car.
That's it then. Next. Right.
Talk us through it then. Let's do one.
Take that out there.
That literally just lifts out, right?
Hydraulic lifter thing, and take that out here. We go across here. We do that and give it a bend. Chuck that in there. Have a look at this. Make sure there's nothing worn. That's been turning nicely. We take this plastic bag. We get this little pair of scissors. We cut her hair. We take the plastic bag. We put it in the bin. We get the new one. Just push it in past that little clip thing.
And stick it back in the van.
Stick some oil in the hole. Put some oil on the valve. Put that on there. Make sure that's in there. So
Right, stop. I'm going to time you for the next one.
Just a minute, I ain't got it oiled yet.
Right, it's all right. You tell me when you're done. I'm going to time you. Ready? One. Hang on. Four,
I don't know
three,
where I am now. I'm there.
2, 1, go. Oh, nonchalantly. You are against the clock, you know.
No good rushing. Don't want no blooming rushing around. Could be cheating.
No, and there's going to be no cuts in this bit, so everyone is going to see how long it took you.
That's really
So far, 25 seconds.
That's really going to excite them, isn't it?
$37 seconds in.
That'll That'll do me, Gromit.
Yeah, 50 seconds it took you, so that's going to be about 15 minutes to replace all of them at that pace. There you are. I'm enjoying this. It's quite a little therapeutic job, actually, isn't it?
Tinkering.
Tinkering.
Well, I hope it's as simple as this. You noticed I'm not washing these or anything.
Yeah, I did notice
if you
that.
start messing about and taking the oil out of them, and it doesn't do them any good.
I did notice that you hadn't cleaned them, because you have cleaned a lot of the other parts.
Yeah. It's best to keep these in their working position, else they pump up like.
Would it not have been better to maybe soak these rockers overnight? I suppose they'll get soaked in the head when it goes back on, or the cover when it goes back on, won't it?
I'm oiling the rockers anyway, I'm trying to put them on. I'm making sure I've got some nice clean oil everywhere. Clean oil all over it.
Right, before we take the next one out,
Yeah.
we're going to swap places.
Yeah, right, mate.
You're going to be in charge of the camera, and I'm going to do one. So literally, take it out, remember where it goes, take it over to the bench. How do I take it? Is it literally just a pull?
So just bend it, twist it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that goes in the bin. Clean that off a little bit. Let's see if that one's been turning. Yeah, that one's been turning as well. Not evenly though, look. Right, put them in the bin. Take your new one. Have a haircut. There's no right and wrong way. Easy peasy, even I can do it. Then put some oil down here, right?
Just squirt some oil about.
How much?
Just give it a squirt round, just one pump. Here you go.
And then on here?
Yeah, just give it a pump round, stick some on the valve. Just that's it.
And then away we get 6 on the valve, you say?
Yeah.
You can't put too much oil in, that's what I'm hearing.
It's going to run out the bottom anyway.
Ta-da!
Next.
Next one, here we go. Right, yeah, good. Take the old one off. Give it a bit of a wipe. Have a look, as this one, oh yeah, you can see that one's not been turning fully, has it?
Yeah, it hasn't, has it? Some of them do, some of them don't.
It's been sort of turning a half moon. That's it, engine rebuild extraordinaire.
Oh yeah. John Engine Company.
John Coupland Engine Works. Just like Coupland. John Cooper Works. We've got John Coupland Works. Here we go. Bum, bum, bum. In it goes. How do you feel being the cameraman? How do you feel with the roles reversed?
It's hard work, this job is.
Now what you've got to do is ask all the stupid questions, and I've got to chunter and sniff and snort, cough and splutter, stand in the way of the camera. Get out the way, bloody production crew in the way. Oh, I don't need this. You need to sell some of your bloody shit old cars.
I've had that oil can since I was 16.
This oil can looks like an antique, look. There you are. 16 Westco. Right, here's the last one. You ready? Across to the bench. I'm missing out a vital part, actually. Just put all this in the bin, look. Do you reckon we should bin all these old rockers or keep them?
I'm going to make a necklace out of them.
You could make a funky lamp. Oh, ready? Last one. In it goes. Easy peasy, mate. You're making this camera work look easy.
So I'm not asking really stupid questions.
Ready?
Job done.
Done. Apprentice of the week.
Excellent.
Right, let's get it on the road.
Would do if we've got a gasket.
Right, all those rockers are in place. What's next? Right, good, there it is. That bit's done.
Put the lid on. Take those pieces of... No, leave them in there. Then put the lid on, mate.
Put the lid on.
Put the lid on.
So gasket, need the gasket next, please.
Yeah.
What's in the field today? Sheep. As ever, thank you for watching this video. Dad and I have selected a couple more videos for you that we think that you might like. They're here now. Just give them a click to watch them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It means a lot to us. Thank you.